Welcome in my kitchen. Craving a creamy, spicy chicken curry, but don't feel like spending hours in the kitchen? Let your slow cooker do the work and enjoy a delicious curry with coconut milk. We use chicken, onion, garlic, ginger and fragrant spices such as cinnamon, turmeric and garam masala. This is the secret of that authentic, deep flavor. We start with onion, chicken, garlic and ginger. This will be super tender. Add all the spices. This already smells fantastic. Add coconut cream for that creamy touch. Diced tomatoes. Add some water. Stir and add a bay leaf on top for an extra aroma. Put the lid on and wait for 6 hours. And now it's time to relax. Look how tender that chicken is. This is real slow cooker perfection. Let's taste it. Yes, super flavorful. Serve this with rice or naan and you will have a restaurant-worthy dish without effort. Would you also like to enjoy this easy curry? Save this recipe and subscribe for more slow cooker inspiration.